Hey guys, what's up? This is Talking Tech for you, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install iOS 14 Beta 2 on your iPhone. Now let's get into it. Start off by visiting getiosbeta.com. Link is in the description, so go over there first. Scroll down and you should be finding a click here button right there. It'll start installing very soon. Allow over here or close. Now we have to go into settings. In the profile downloaded page, you have to go over here and install the profile. Enter your passcode. Agree to all the conditions and install. Now we have to go to the software update page, where we will be downloading the software. Click on download and install. It will ask for your passcode one more time. Enter it and it should start installing. This download will take 30 minutes and it will reboot in this time, and after the reboot we will get here iOS 14 Beta 2. This is iOS 14 Beta 2, so enjoy. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified every time I upload. But for now, peace.